Hi, thank you for joining in. And in this training program, I'm going to tell you how you can become a successful kids life coach and run your business successfully anywhere in the world. Hi, my name is LATA SINGH, and I'm the founder director of MEQ Academy based in India. It is a professional training, coaching, and consulting firm that helps individuals to learn and set up their successful online life coaching business for kids, parents, and educators. We achieve it by providing scientifically proven tools, techniques, and skills like developing coaching content, coaching methods, setting up business, delivering coaching online and offline, and much more. Our mission is to create successful entrepreneurs capable of running their kids and parents' life coaching business around the world and help society become connected, empathetic, kind, and emotionally intelligent. Okay, so now you must be wondering who can join this program. So, the Kids Life Coach Certification Program is designed for teachers, educators, coaches, counselors, parents, and individuals who wish to help children and young adults become confident and ready for the real life challenges. The duration of this training program is 4 months, in which 3 months you will be going through the theory and practical, where you will learn what is life coaching, how to implement, how to do it. And in the fourth month, we will help you set up your business so you can actually start practice and seeing the results just in 4 months. The Life Coach Certification Program is delivered online via Zoom. Every week we meet our participants on Zoom platform, and after that we provide them with the study material and lots of other reference material to go through it and do the practicals. So, the Kids Life Coach Certification Program is a combination of life coaching, NLP tools, emotional intelligence, and positive psychology. And in this program, you are going to learn 12 modules that will help you set up your successful Kids Life Coach business. In these, we will be covering 12 modules. The first three modules, you will be learning what is life coaching, what is the difference between life coaching and counseling, what are the principles of life coaching. You will be going through understanding emotional intelligence and how you can help children manage their emotions. Then we will take you through the tools and techniques, and then we will help you understand how to do one-on-one sessions, how to do group coachings, how to do group workshops. And not just that, we teach you how to create these materials. So we just not teach you how to do things, but how to create is also, so you are not dependent on anyone and you can run your successful business easily after completing this program. And that's not all. We have added a special module, setting up your kids' life coaching business, in which we will be hand holding you, we'll be having weekly calls, we will give you WhatsApp support, and we will add you to a MEQ coaches and trainers community where we will help you set up your business. So, in just 4 months, you will be ready to launch your successful kids' life coaching business. And yes, we will be giving you some assignments to be completed after each module, which are mandatory to complete your Kids Life Course Certification Program. Do not worry, they are very, very interesting, interactive assignments that you will enjoy learning because they are the one that will help you launch your successful Kids Life Coach business. So, what are the takeaways from this certification program? You are going to get, a Kids Life Coach digital certificate and also one more certificate that is specific to the niche that you will, select. You can become a toddler's coach, you can become a kids coach or a teens coach or young adults coach. So, we are going to give you this certificate based on your interests. And also, you are going to get study material, tools, and techniques to start your practice immediately as a kids life coach. You are going to have access to a MEQ library for 6 months, which has amazing books and articles and hundreds and thousands of activities designed by our content writers. So, we will also help you to market and promote your business initially and definitely through our social media. You will also get lifelong membership of MEQ Kids Life Coach community where you will be meeting like-minded people and you will get inspired by the amazing work these coaches are doing all across the world. So I'll be your master coach for this program. I have curated this program and I have 20 plus years of experience in IT industry as well as training and coaching. Chetna is my co-facilitator for this program, who is an expert in social emotional learning and created hundreds of activities used by various schools all across the world. So don't worry, you are in good hands, and we will do our best to give you the best of the training. And yes, each and every activities that we teach you here are tried and tested, and the feedback is amazing. So you are going to enjoy it, and your students, your clients will enjoy what you are going to teach them. So I'm proud to tell you that in last 3 plus years, we have trained more than 50 plus coaches all across the world. They are doing amazing work with children, their parents, and teachers and educators. So they are training them, coaching them, doing one-on-one sessions, group coaching sessions, as well as they are, working cross geographies from anywhere in the world. So this is an amazing life-changing work they are doing for themselves as well as their clients. And now I would like to present a testimonial from our certified kids and parents life coach who is doing amazing work in India. So let's listen out to her what she has to tell about this program.
Activities look very simple but are very powerful, very powerful. And Lataji's hand-holding after the completion of the program is commendable. When she speaks, her passion speaks through her. When she tells you something you yourself want to do and bring a powerful shift in emotions for the people. Once again, I strongly recommend this for all the people who are looking for such a course, as it is simple, direct, result oriented, and a wonderful way of giving back to the society. In this times after the pandemic, we have seen a lot of a lot of turmoil that is inside, and we want each one of us to do our bit. I strongly recommend this to all of you, and I thank Lataji once again for the simplicity in which she's handed over a very powerful program.
And now this is your opportunity to become a successful kids life coach. Registrations are open, so you can scan the QR code and register for the program, or you can book a call with me if you have any more queries related to the program. So I really look forward to having you in our certification program. Thank you so much for watching the training.